Hi everyone, Melissa here. Come on today with my Creative Times design team project. And as you all know, she released a couple new paper packs on Friday. I did not get the chance to craft with them, so I am crafting with them today. She did show you how everything looked, but I am just gonna kind of just show you how the paper pack looked. Very cute. Love this. And this one's called Hello Spring. And this is the paper that I use from that. And it's so cute. So all the papers look like this, except for different colors, of course. And then there goes the back side of that one. So that's what I use from Hello Spring. And then the other one was called Spring Watercolors. Love this paper. It is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And so that's how that looks. And then this is the paper that I use from that pack here, and I love this. It is so pretty, and there's like a little bit of writing behind the flowers. I don't know for sure if you can tell, but it's gorgeous. And then there goes the back side of that. And for my first project that I created, I'm just going to show you what I used from the 3.75 by 4.75 card die layers. I'm using this oval here, using the strawberry flower plate dies. From the leaf plate die, I'm using a few of those there. Hugs and Kisses, I'm just using this die here along with its coordinating stamp there. And then the shopping bag is what I use for my first project. And here goes the first project that I created. Unfortunately, while I was creating, I smeared the Showered with Love stamp, but no, it wasn't from the stamp. It was my fault. I didn't let it dry, but I was trying to create the project, and I still wanted to show it because it's so cute. But I love how that turned out. There goes those little strawberry flowers there in the leaf plate die. I did cut this out myself, just to try and measure it and put it right in the center of that little treat bag die. Love how this turned out though. I did not finish off the back side, but other than the paper there, but it is so cute. Love it. Love how this turned out. For my next project, I'm using the assorted mini bow dies, the umbrella dies, 5x5 card die layers, and the jar label dies. That was my second project. I love this umbrella with those colors. I thought that would really make the colors pop on an umbrella. So I really like how it turned out. It is so pretty. And then I used that same paper, the back side of this paper, on there. And I thought that was just perfect. Kind of gives you the illusion of rain, maybe, sort of. And then I also used the stamp set that came from the umbrella. Heard you were under the weather. And I did forget to show you one other thing that I used. I also used these Bright Halloween dots, ED01. And these are still in the store right now, but once they're gone, they're gone. So if you have the chance and you want some of these, you might want to pick those up. But those turned out just perfect for the color. And then that's where I put that little bow. I did add an extra gem on there. But I love that paper. It is so pretty. And I just finished off the inside with another 5x5 card base layer in there. But I love how that turned out. So pretty. And for my last card that I created, I used these dots again. Wood plate die, tea kettle die, Time for Tea. I used from here, Get Well Soon, and I also used the die that cuts that out. And small teacup die is what I use, and it's coordinating pieces, as well as the pretty scallop rectangles and the rectangle frame layers for the inside of that card. And here's my last card. The paper just reminded me of a vintage teapot or teacup, and I thought it would look beautiful on there, so that's the reason why I pulled that out and put it on there. I did use that wood piece to go underneath, and I love it. And there goes her little enamel dots, and I added a little bit of paint splatter in the back, and then that get well soon. I love how the pretty scallop layers go very well with this card too. Just too cute. Love it. And those are my projects that I created for you using the new spring papers that she has out. Remember, her sale is still going on for that retirement sale. You can use my code MOE for 10% off your total purchase, and make sure you get those retired products before they're gone, because they're not coming back. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.